Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade solution specifically designed for HP Slim desktops, the CMS 32GB DDR4 3200MHz non-ECC DMM. If you're rocking an HP Slim Desktop S01, PF1XXX, or S01, PF3XXX series, and finding it a little sluggish, this RAM upgrade might be just what you need. This is a single 32GB stick, so make sure your system has an available DMM slot to take advantage of it. The module is a 288-pin non-ECC DMM, operating at a speed of DDR4-25600, which translates to 3200 MHz. This speed boost can significantly improve your desktop's performance, especially when multitasking, running memory-intensive applications, or even light gaming. Computer Memory Solutions guarantees compatibility with the specified HP Slim desktop models, which is a huge plus. There's nothing worse than buying RAM and finding out it doesn't work with your system. They take the guesswork out of the equation. While the product appearance may vary from the picture, the core functionality remains the same. It's all about that 32 gigabytes of DDR4 3200 MHz goodness. One of the most reassuring aspects is the limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects, offered when purchased directly from Computer Memory Solutions. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. In summary, the CMS 32GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM upgrade is a solid choice for HP Slim desktop owners looking to boost their system's performance. The guaranteed compatibility and lifetime warranty make it a worthwhile consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.